beginning is a new journey. By this beautiful thought, a very warm morning to all my teachers and dear friends. Here I am Yashika and today I am going to say few lines on Happy New Year. It is a very special day that is celebrated among all the people in the world throughout the year. It is celebrated on the 1st of January. It is a very special day for all of us. On this day, people wear new clothes and enjoy their hobbies like dancing and singing. This day brings prosperity and energy in life. I only wish that this Happy New Year should also bring your life with joy and happiness. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello to everyone, I am Swastik Singhor of class 6th and I am sharing my experience about what I have learned in the year 2020. This year is not easy for me and for everyone. This is very pandemic for me and for everyone. I know this thing. And I learned 4 things also that are: first is hygiene, second is eating healthy foods, third is social distancing, and the fourth is the last one is that the washing hands regularly, it is the main. And these 4 are main, and these 4 things give me a pure and healthy life.
I am Amral Singh from class 50. Today I am tell about what we learned from this year 2020. We know that this year is turned out to be very challenging year. So I learned from this year, we should help our parents, we should always keep our surrounding clean, we should always wear mask and stay happy, stay safe.
Dear friends, I am Siddhant Rajput. My class name is 3rd B and my school name is DWPS School. Dear friends, 2020 really was a great challenge for school kids like me. 1.3 billion kids and 186 countries are facing the pandemic of COVID-19 virus. But in this pandemic, the best school of Urai, DWPS, is providing us finest virtual classes.
My name is Zinab Fatma from class 3rd A. The challenging year 2020. The year of 2020 has been tough year for a lot of people, and many people also think a very cursed year. But in this year I learned a lot about myself and I am grateful for that. Especially the teachers are working very hard during the COVID-19 and taking all the care to teach best through online classes.
Myself is Satpur from DWPS. Today I am tell you my journey of the school during the pandemic COVID-19 year 2020. When I was entered the campus, I was really surprised and happy. During the COVID-19 is the big challenge for everyone to continue our studies. Difficulties make man strong and winner. I learned many new things and activities like yoga, dance, craft, art and science, math, and I am participate all the activities successful and won the prizes also.
Hello everyone, myself Tanmay Pandey. I am studying in third standard in Delhi World Public School, Urai School. Due to global pandemic, entire education, the virtual learning guideline wherein I observed several pros and cons, like virtual learning is helping us to maintain social distancing.
My name is Vaishnavi Singh. I am studying in class 2nd B. I am vacation. I go to my auntie marriage party where I met my cousin and there I enjoyed very much with her. This is a remember moment for me.
I am Raja Gupta from class 30. I am going to take a resolution. I will
Arjun Chauhan from class 3rd A. I am going to tell you about my virtual school journey in the year of challenges 2020. 2020 is hard to every pupil and it gives many challenges to every pupil, and it is a different experience that I do my school on my mobile or my laptop, and I have also join all the classes, and it is good that I do all my classes, and I have also do my summer camp on virtual and virtual PTMs and many unit tests virtually and many things like on virtual. So it is very good to see my school is doing very hard work, and thank you and have a wonderful great day.
Hello everyone, myself Khushi Shivari. I am studying in class 4. I am 9 years old. My hobby is dancing and singing. My school name is DWPS. I live in Urai.
My name is Abhi Pandey from class 6A. My school name is Delhi World Public School from Urai Jalon. As we all know that in year 2020, we all have faced many critical problems due to the spread of COVID-19. Hence, we all have faced the lockdown. The people, they have faced many money and resources problem, but many people come together to help them, and they prove that humanity is the best religion. At last, we all have learned that being hygienic and tidy will help you to prevent many infectious and bacteria diseases. Thank you.
Answered from class 2nd A. My most memorable moment of 2020 is when I entered the campus of DWPS. I came with my parents for admission. I became very happy when my parents told me that they were going to admit me in the school, but due to Corona I could not go to school. Now I am waiting for the open of the school.
Here I am Shubil Akshakar of class 6th and I am going to tell that how much I learned in this year 2020. So I learned many things like dance and I also participate in such competitions, and teachers are also doing hard work for us. So we should join all our revision classes and all live classes.
Myself, Tanya from class 5B. In this lockdown, I have learned so many things. I have a new experience of online classes. I also go to my nanny's house and do lots of enjoyment and learn so many things from them. But I have missed my school, teachers and friends. Thank you.
चांदनी रात में गोरी के साथ में आसमान में देखूंगा चांदनी रात में गोरी के साथ में आसमान में
From class 8, today I am going to tell us about my New Year resolution. New Year is a new beginning where we can start things freshly. Life gets interesting when we try new things. We should make changes in ourselves that enhance our personality. New Year resolution helps to eliminate our bad habits and take in the good habits. So my New Year resolution is to get up early in the morning and update myself time to time and eat healthier food, read more books and moral stories, exercise more and save money or spend less and learn something new in this year. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone, I am Gauri Gupta from class 8A and I am taking a new year resolution. I will always obey my elders, teachers and I will try to be a good student. May 2021 be the best year for you. Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you. Happy New Year to everyone. I'm Tanvi Agrawal from class 8 and today I'm going to tell you my resolution for this year. My resolution is I try to plant at least 50 plants in a year and try to read newspaper early in the morning. I'm wishing you all a very happy New Year and welcoming 2021. Thank you.